What's up, everybody? Happy Saturday morning. Lively crowd today.
Hi.
Lively, I'm telling y'all. Anyway, leaving the boat home. As you can probably see through the window right there, it's kind of dark. We got rain coming. So, we're going to go fish from the bank and try to catch some crappie. At least for now. Yeah. We got to go get minnows first, though. So, we'll get minnows. We'll meet y'all at the lake. How about that? Don't start fishing without us. Alright guys, we made it to the lake. There's not a lot of room here, so I'm just going to put the camera on top of my head and see what we can catch as far as footage. But quite a few people exact spot I wanted to go. So we found a different spot. We're going to try it. If not, we may move around 100 fucking times. I don't know.
Never know about us.
Exactly. So I'm going to put the camera on top of my head. We're going to go ahead and try to catch the fish. I see that. You got a bass. Oh shit.
I had a bass. First fish of the day. Woohoo!
There's your bass. Sticky thumbing.
Good bass.
A keeper, probably.
I don't have it very good.
Hold it the other way.
Now she can go back because we don't eat that.
That's a pretty good size one right here.
I thought I got stuck on something. I'll fix it. Right. I'm sorry I'm trying to get you down here to get rid of my phone.
There you go. Good job.
You're the one that went after it got off my line.
That's cute.
Aww. What'd you get? A little crappie?
Looks like it. What is it?
Looks like a crappie.
Little crappie.
Definitely too small to keep.
Mm-hmm. At least you caught one. I'm getting bored. I think the drops are getting bigger.
I think so. little guy.
Trying not to, but the fish doesn't want to come out.
Well, before you kill him, bring him over here. Got it out?
Nope, he walking did.
Huh?
I was walking and it came out.
You got the hook out then. Okay. Well, yeah, release him.
Out.
You caught another little crappie, didn't you? Nice job. What'd you get? That's nice.
I'm gonna take a picture and add it to my TikTok.
Hey, hold it up. Son, for an actual picture, child. Alright guys, so did a little change up here. Went home, got the boat. See if we can have some better luck now. Hopefully. Probably not, but hopefully. Oh, you bastard. Flung my minnow off. You tried though. Ain't he cool?
He's cute, yeah.
Grow up, little buddy. Looks like a crappie to me.
I don't think it's big enough.
I didn't ask you for your opinion either, did I?
I was just saying, I don't think it's
When I want your opinion, I'll give it to you.
Why would you give me my opinion?
It is 9 3/4.
Jimmy?
Look at that. Heck yeah.
You get it?
She brought it right up to the top.
He done caught you another one. Good job.
Could be the same one.
No, I thought it was one. Ta-da!
I see that.
He's fine.
The chick. And I'm a fish bet.
Yeah. Small baby.
Yeah. What was that, son? You mouthing?
Why is everyone doing
'Cause you...
Even fell in the water. When I brought my fish up.
Sammy. About time.
Mine was the
Oh,
one
you
really
kind of
good.
minging on minging. She caught a minging on minging. Look at the cutie.
What's up, guys? I don't have my tripod, so just trying to find a place to put this so we could
Here.
close out the video because we forgot to. We forgot to close this video out yesterday when we went fishing. Our defense, it had started raining and
It was cold.
it was cold,
So we tried to
and
get in the house.
we was trying to kind of in a hurry to get all the equipment up, so it didn't. I'm gonna take this off. It looks silly.
I don't think so, but
It was cold, so yeah. Anyway, guys, we had a wonderful time fishing. Kind of changed up in the middle of the day and got the
Yeah.
boat out, didn't we?
yep. Didn't catch anything sizable worth keeping except for maybe that bass.
But we don't eat bass, so
Nope.
turned it back loose. Let somebody else keep it.
Yep.
Anyway, guys, we hope you enjoyed the video.
Mhm.
Hopefully, all the footage is still good.
Hopefully.
But anyway, guys, love you. God bless. Stay safe.
Till next time.
Till next time.
Love y'all.
Bye.